Loess is a kind of soil. Our project Loess, L-O-E-S-S, aims to boost literacy on soil health. As part of the Mission Soil Horizon projects, it recognizes how important soil health is for our future, thus learning about and for it at all levels of education and in various disciplines. The project entails hands-on activities. We are co-creating and testing pedagogical techniques to advance knowledge on soil health. Corvinus Science Shop is invited to promote community-engaged research and learning. The Science Shop methodology aims for teaching in partnership with communities, providing responses to the needs and questions of civil society. It means, among others, that courses are designed for the collaboration of students and lecturers with community partners. It is a solution-oriented pedagogy that acknowledges various knowledge types in and outside academia. In Loess, we are to embed soil health-related questions of community partners into teaching in primary and secondary schools, as well as universities. We are in the first year of the project, and we are currently exploring the state of soil health education in 15 countries across the consortium, including Hungary. We have already mapped the stakeholders of the field and launched a community of practice, a COP. This is a group of experts from various walks of life committed to advancing soil education, and their role is to support, contribute to and evaluate the Loess process. Loess serves current and future generations. Its outputs will come in handy for lecturers, and its community-engaged pedagogy will directly serve civil society organizations, non-profits, active citizen groups and social entrepreneurs.